A PMX file is a MikuMikuDance character model. 3D figures complete with bones, morphs, and materials, ready for animation in the beloved MMD application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these 3D character model files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your PMX, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. PMX files are 3D model files for MikuMikuDance MMD, a free animation program popular in the Vocaloid fan community. They contain polygon mesh data bone skeletons, morph targets, physics simulation data, and material definitions for animating 3D character models. PMX files use a binary format, storing vertex data with bone weights material definitions, with texture references, morph deformers for facial expressions, rigid body physics constraints, and display frame groups. They support up to 4 bone weight influences per vertex. MikuMikuDance MMD from Yu Higuchi should be your first choice when attempting to open PMX. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows offers limited visibility for this category, so full inspection requires dedicated 3D software. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the PMX file and hit Open With. Use MikuMikuDance MMD if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If the PMX file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. You're dealing with a truly tricky PMX file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, opening in MikuMikuDance. Download MikuMikuDance from the official website and load the PMX model via File, then Load Model. The model will appear in the viewport with its full skeleton ready for posing and animation. Apply VMD motion files to animate the character. Next, editing in PMX Editor. Download PMX Editor to modify PMX model files. Open the model to edit vertices, bones, morphs, materials, and physics bodies. Adjust bone weights, resize body parts, or modify facial expressions. Save changes and test the model in MikuMikuDance for verification. Finally, converting for other applications. Use the Blender MMD Tools add-on to import PMX files into Blender for editing and conversion. After import-export to FBX or OBJ format for use in Unity, Unreal Engine, or other 3D applications. Note that physics and morph data may require manual reconfiguration after conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.